Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a ombre, a horizontal ombre. This ombre was inspired by Beautiful Nails by Jess. I absolutely love her work, and recently she did a beautiful, colorful safari kind of look. It had a lot of zebra print and cheetah print, and she did one of her nails, I believe it's the ring finger, she did a horizontal ombre. The color she used was like a moonful blue. That's the best way I can describe it, because it's not like any regular blue. It's very sparkly and glittery, and she used a purple that sort of resembled it. So as you guys can see in the beginning, I am using two colors by Rosalind acrylic powders. It is a orange and a pink. So I didn't know exactly how I was going to go about doing this look. I knew for sure that I didn't want everything to be uniformed. I wanted everything to sort of be here and there. So on my middle finger and my index finger, I decided to do the horizontal ombre. On my ring finger, I decided to just take the pink and sort of shear it out. It's already a sheer color, but you can build it up. I just sort of kept the color close to where the nail tip and my natural nail meet. And I just blended it upwards, going to the tip of the nail. And I also repeated that same design on my thumb. And right here, as you can see on my pinky, I am just sort of trying to achieve a marble. It was pretty difficult for me to do this one, but in the end, it pretty much worked out. So in the next few clips, you guys will be seeing me apply the nail bed color, and I will be using Mia Secret's Cover Pink. I really, really, really love this color, simply because of the sparkles that's in it. So for the thumb and the ring finger, I will be picking up a bead of acrylic as well as this iridescent glitter. I really wanted the glitter to be on the nail bed, so that's why I decided to do that, as you can see here. And I'm just placing that right where my natural nail and the artificial nail meet. This was pretty hard. Like, this was so hard for me to do. I don't know what's up with me and glitters. Like, behind the scenes, I was checking my brush, checking my monomer to see exactly why it was so hard to stick. Now I'm taking the second bead and I'm applying it near the cuticle. Normally, I do not apply it near the cuticle right off the bat. I usually take my second bead and apply it just underneath the first bead. But because I want the glitter to be at the base, I just went ahead and applied it at the cuticles, because that's just where I want the glitter to be. I didn't want it to be at the top or covering the nail. And for all the ombre nails, I am adding the Mia Secret Cover Pink only. I won't be using any glitters for those nails. And I am so sorry for any moments you guys will see me out of frame. It is definitely a struggle trying to record yourself doing your nails. Like, this part here, me filing, was the most difficult part ever. Now I'm just taking my drill bit, and I'm not really sure what you would call this drill bit, but it's not really coarse. But it's a little rough but smooth at the same time. So I like using this to kind of buff out my nails to get it smooth. Because my application was pretty good. I didn't have to go in and file so much. And here I'm just taking the ASP base coat and applying that to my nails, and I'll be curing it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so I have an obsession with base coats. I love base coats. However, I do have the ASP top coat, and I absolutely hate it. I hate any top coat that has that where you have to wipe. It's only good in certain, like, certain circumstances. But for the most part, I hate that. I feel like it dulls my nails out after I take the alcohol wipe and wipe off the tacky layer. And because we are using gel, you want to wipe your sides down because it can cause the shape of the nail to disappear. Now I'm taking my Beetles Top It Off matte coat, and I'm just applying this to my pinky finger and my index finger. I wasn't for sure if I wanted to do the entire hand matte, but I really wanted the glitter to pop through, and I did not want to have been struggling that entire time just to put a matte top coat on. So off camera, I just applied some rhinestones I had lying around, and now I am just applying my Beauty Secrets cuticle oil, which I love. And here are the final results, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video.